everyone. Today I am going to tell you about ocean. Life in ocean means under the water. Can you imagine under the water what the life will be? It will be very beautiful and very colorful comparison to where we are living. So life in ocean is incredible and diverse and complex and comprising a wide era of organisms and arranging from microscopic bacteria to enormous whales where which we can tell you, keep patience, we can tell you in detail. So microscopic organisms that found on oceans life and microorganisms like bacteria and the protists plays vital role in nutrients cycle and decomposition and energy transform. They are found throughout the ocean, for the surface water to the deep sea, and even in extreme environment, it it is present. And the other part comes that is also very important. It also play very vital role in ocean. That is plants, water plant. So water plant including others different type of categories which play very important role in ocean. Microscopic photosynthesis organism that form the base of the marine food web and the large seaweed and the algae also inhabit coastal area and the providing food and habit for the various marine creatures. And the other also come in and it's also play a big role in ocean life, that is invertebrates. So invertebrates consist of significant protein of the ocean's life and including diversity rates that is species such as that jellyfish and the coral, sponge and the other type of snail and the octopus and other crabs, lobsters and other stars, starfish, sea stars, seahorse and other type of water animals. These also play a very beautiful role in their ocean. The organism occupy that various needs and contributes to the ecosystem functioning as the predator and filter, feeding and for more. And the and other point comes that is also play a vital role in their ocean. Can you imagine what it is? It is fish. Fish are one of the most recognized that the group of marine organisms are incredible and diverse in the size, shape, habit, and the behavior. From tiny to the massive whale shark fish inhabit nearly and every ocean's environment from and the coastal water to the deepest trench. जितना भी आप सोच सकते हो इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिशेस ओशन में रहती है और जितना आप सोच सकते हो माइक्रो फिशेस दैट आल्सो will present in ocean. The marine mammals Marine mammals, including whale, dolphin, and sea sea lion, and having adaptations of life in the ocean. And they are warm-blooded and breathe. But the point is streamlined bodies and the special adaptation for swimming and the driving. And the other also come in ocean. What it is? I am telling you, be patient. Seabirds. Many bird species are adapted to life in the marine environment, with some is spending their entire life at the sea, and these birds such as red gull and the pansy and the important role in marine ecosystem, often feeding off fishes and other marine organisms. These birds stay in few months in that place and few months in other warm place. And the other points comes, that is the reptiles. Reptiles also several reptile species such as that sea turtle and the marine and especially adopted in the oceans like sea turtle have a streamlined cells and the powerful flappies for the swimming, and while marine capable for dividing deep to the feed on algae. And the other animals also come that it's live in deep sea life. The deep sea life is one of the most mysterious and the least and explored habits on the earth. It is home to the variety of unique and creature adapted to the extreme pressure, cold temperature, and the limited food availability. So deep sea organisms included deep sea fishes and the giant squares bioluminescent organism and the state looking creature like algae fish and the glubber eels. Each of them that numerous species that also play that adaptation behavior, and the other you can say that contribute to the rich life in the ocean, we can say it. The underwater world is in the ocean, that is really that ecosystem and the life and other systems which play very understanding systems. We can understand if under the ocean it has a well planned ecosystem, so why it is not well planned in land where we are living? But we can't say anything now. Marine biodiversity, what it is that the ocean support and the areas of the life form from the smallest plant kingdom to the largest whale. And this biodiversity includes fish, animals, not animals, mammals, and invertebrate plants and microorganisms. Coral reef and the mangrove and the seagrass bee are the among of the most diverse marine ecosystem, provide habit of countless species. But the point also comes food chain and the food web. Under the water, life is structures around complex food chain and web, where organisms are interconnected through the feeding relationship and the pathnodex or tiny marine plants form the base of the marine food chain and supporting zooplankton, small fishes, large predators, and the apex of predators. Coral leaf, coral reef are among of the most geographical that diverse ecosystem on the planet that provide habit of the approximately 25% of all marine species. They are built by the colonies of tiny animals called that coral, and which secretes calcium carbonate to form of skeleton, and the coral leaves support a vast area of marine life and including fishes, invertebrates and the algae of course. And marine mammals, whale, dolphin, sea, and sea lion are among the many marine mammals that inhabit the ocean. These mammals have adapted to life in the water with a specified special adaptation of swimming, diving, and hunting. So marine mammals play a crucial role in marine ecosystem and the breed of population and the nutrient cycle. Deep sea life. A deep sea ocean is one of the most mysterious, which I already told you, that is least explored regions on the earth. And despite of extreme pressure and darkness and the cold temperature, a surprising and the diversity of the life experienced in the deep sea. This includes deep sea fish, invertebrates, and the microbes that have involved a unique adaptation to survive in this harsh environment. Then the marine life, and despite of this, marine life face numerous threats from the human activity, which is horrible. That is overfishing. This is horrible. Overfishing, pollution, and the habitat and destructions, climate change, and the ocean accidentally that are among the biggest challenges facing marine ecosystems today. These threats not only endeavor that is indivisible and the species, but also it is not acceptable. Entire marine food web and ecosystem. What we can say, we can do the efforts that efforts aim to protect the restore marine ecosystem and the biodiversity and the marine protected area and the sustain that fishes, sustain that fishing practices that polluted, control, change. And the migration efforts are the some of the strategies who employs to the safeguard marine life and the protect the ocean health. Understanding and the protecting the underwater life is the ocean is curiously for maintaining the health and the resilience of the planet's ecosystem and ensuring the well-being of the future generation. क्या कह सकते हैं ओशन लाइफ तो फिर भी वो अपनी लाइफ जी रहे हैं दोज आर लिविंग इन लैंड दे हैव अ मोर प्रॉब्लम दे आर नॉट कैपेबल टू cope up ecosystem properly. So if they are not able to cope with that ecosystem on the land, so how it is possible they can understand and they can help the underwater ecosystem. But point is a point. So lands life in land and life in ocean both are very different, but still, who has given the rights to disturb that ocean life under the water? You are living on the land, so you have to take care of lands and protect the oceans life. Those are living under the ocean, protect them and take limited things from the ocean and do other work properly. Thank you.